No. James! No!
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! One at gunpoint, Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Kill me! Kill me!
David A11, we're out with subject.
The gray one, we have 2 cars here. That is mine. He chased me past these Airbnbs. Sorry, I don't know what these are. Okay, so where are you from? So what kind of work do you fantastic. Your break right now. Really take a break now. Oh no, I mean for my career.
Okay. Do you need an ambulance?
No.
Okay.
No, actually, that's why I'm here.
Your behavior is pretty erratic, so
I'm sorry. I've been running. Nobody answered their doors. I'm in building 4. He has chased me all the way down here. This is after 2 days of being there with him. He has a knife behind him. And he broke in through the back. I ran for it out past the first 2 buildings, and I was banging on doors and no one would answer. And I had to keep stopping to drag him. The man just turned 60, but is 6'3" and massive. He just got sentenced to almost 3 years in prison for something from before I met him. And that ruling came in on Friday. We went to court, and I was there with him. I told him I would go.
So if he was sentenced to 3 years in prison, how is he out here on the street running around?
He was given 30 to 60 days to turn himself in. His lawyer is supposed to reach out by Wednesday about the date for him to turn himself in.
So he was out on bond originally?
Yes. He's been on bond for 3.5 years. It's been a long term. It's a federal case. But so we hadn't been together a little while. I said for the ruling I would go.
So you know?
Yes, we've been engaged. I say husband, and he usually says wife, but we were engaged. We've been together for 9 months. This 30th, I have 2 years. He had 30 years before the crime he committed when he was arrested.
Okay. You said, where'd you last see him?
As I was hanging over here, he came running, and I could hear him. And there are dogs in that one. I guess it was making them loud. And I could hear him running, and I was like, "Stop! Just go! Just leave!" And he was like, "Come on, give me my stuff." He broke in the back patio door of where I rented. What do you mean, give you your stuff, sir? And you were already in there. Basketball shorts. He's old. He just turned 60. Gray hair, 6'3", dark shirt, basketball shorts. It's like a navy or black.
What's his name?
James.
Come on.
David 11, he has a knife.
Shoot the
He's
kill. Come on.
Got taser deployed.
Shoot the kill.
Do not.
Drop the knife!
Drop.
Drop the knife!
Shoot.
That unit coming up, watch your crossfire.
Shoot me.
Drop it. Don't!
James, put down. It's not worth it. Don't do it.
Shoot me. All of you, shoot me.
It's not worth it. Don't do it, James.
I'm not going to prison for fucking marijuana.
No one's going to go to
Oh,
prison.
fuck you. Doesn't love me, and you don't
Hey,
either.
go move.
Okay, get back.
Shoot me.
Stop!
Get back.
Stop approaching!
Stop.
Stop approaching! Stop!
James, the body.
Shut up, bitch.
Drop the knife!
No, shoot me.
Stop! 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 Okay, you already got it out over the radio?
Get back.
Hey,
Get back, get back. Get the knife.
How are you? You doing all right? You can put your hands down. You can put your hands
He
down.
ran that way. That is my van.
That is your van?
The gray one. We have two cars here. That is mine. And he chased me past these Airbnbs. Or, sorry, I don't know what these are.
Okay, so where are you from? So what kind of work do you do?
Kind of have to take a break right now. Really.
Let's go take a deep breath.
Oh no, I mean for my career.
do you need an ambulance?
No, actually, that's why I'm here.
Your behavior is pretty erratic, so...
Oh, I'm sorry. I've been running. Nobody answered their doors. I'm in building 4. He has chased me all the way down here. This is after 2 days of being there with him. He has a knife behind him. He broke in through the back. I ran for it out past the first 2 buildings, and I was banging on doors and no one would answer, and I had to keep stopping to try to use because just turned 60, but is 6'3" and massive. He just got sentenced to almost 3 years in prison for something from before I met him.
Okay. So
And that ruling came in on Friday. We went to court and I was there with him. I told him I would go.
So if he was sentenced to 3 years in prison, how is he out?
He is. He was given 30 to 60 days to do to turn himself in. His lawyer is supposed to reach out by Wednesday about the date for him to turn himself in.
So he was out on bond originally?
Yes, he's been on bond for 3.5 years. It's been a long term. It's a federal case.
okay.
But so we hadn't been together a little while. I said for the ruling I would go.
So you know him?
Yes, we're engaged. I say husband, and he usually says wife, but we were engaged. We've been together for 9 months or so. 30th, I have 2 years. He had, I think, 30 years before the crime he committed when he was arrested.
You said, where did you last see him?
As I was banging over here, he came running, and I could hear him. And there were dogs in that one. I guess it was making them loud. And I could hear him running, and I was like, "Stop! Just go! Just go! Just leave!" And he was like, "Come on, give me my stuff." He broke in the back patio door of where I rented.
Okay.
What do you mean, give you your stuff, sir? You were already in there.
Do you know what is he wearing?
Basketball shorts. He's old. He just turned 60. Gray hair, 6'3", dark shirt, basketball shorts.
What color are the basketball shorts?
It's like a navy or black.
Is he thin or heavy?
His name?
James.
James. Is this him right here? James?
James.
Hey.
No, wait, that's not right. It's a knife.
Drop it. Drop it.
Kill me!
Drop it.
Kill me!
James.
Come on, shoot me! Shoot to
No,
kill,
James,
come on!
that's his knife.
Shoot to kill!
Do not.
Drop the knife! Fuck you! Shoot me.
Drop it.
You did
Down.
Put it down.
You did this. Shoot me. All of you, shoot me.
It's not
He's
worth it.
been
Don't do
tased,
it.
and we have him at gunpoint.
I'm not going to
Ineffective
prison for
tase.
fucking marijuana.
No one's going to go to
Oh,
prison.
fuck you. Of me and you don't either.
Go move up.
Okay, get back.
Shoot me.
Hey, get back. Stop.
approaching.
Stop.
Stop approaching.
Shoot me.
James!
Stop.
James, the body!
Shut up, bitch.
Drop the knife.
No, shoot me.
Stop. Stop.
Daddy,
David 801, shots fired. Start EMS.
Get back. Get back.
Get back.
Get
Get
back,
back.
get back.
Get the knife. I got gloves. I'm going to go ahead and start doing that.
We're at 3622 Van Chat. We're right in front of building Stenber. We're right at the entrance.
Who shot?
Ain't got any clips for you, it's okay.
He's still has a pulse.
Just let them know CPR is being administered.
We're administering.
AP David.
how are you? You doing alright?
He ran that way back. He's my van.
The gray one, we have two cars here, that is mine. And he chased me past these Airbnbs, or, sorry, I don't know what these are.
You know this lady, sir? She's just banging on your door?
Yeah.
Just, okay.
Being on all the doors here.
Okay.
But a guy did. She said a guy chased her.
Okay.
I looked out the window and I saw a guy going that way.
Okay, so you just
Just now. Like right before y'all got here.
Okay.
So,
You know what he looked like?
just a big stocky dude, your size.
Okay. Was he wearing any? I remember what he was wearing or anything like
I
that?
couldn't see what he's wearing. He was just kind of bent
Okay.
over like this. He was walking that way.
Okay.
But she was saying that he's like,
David 801.
she said that she's in an Airbnb here. And this guy.
I'm speaking with the complainant. We're out with our female, but the complainant is saying that right before AP got here, there was a male, stocky build, running through the complex, going west through the complex. So, yeah, just go ahead and check the west side. Didn't get a clothing description, just a male, stocky build.
There's a guy walking that way right now.
Did he say if he's white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
Tell white, black, Hispanic?
I don't,
He couldn't tell. All right. You said you saw him walking through here?
Yeah, I mean, he was already through that way. Like, there's a pool, he's on the other side. There's
Okay.
a head going that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. But you couldn't tell if he was saying anything to you. You just saw him walking by.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
All right. Well, we'll get it figured out.
He's pretty scary. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Good luck.
Yeah. Thanks. Is that the guy right there?
Just 30 and a half, 2 years. He
What was this guy wearing?
Basketball shorts. He's old. He just turned 60. Gray hair, 6'3", dark shirt, basketball shorts.
Okay.
It's like a navy or black or something.
What's his name?
James.
James. Is this him right here? James?
James.
Looking for me?
No.
Drop the knife!
Kill me!
Drop it! Do not drop the knife. Drop the knife now. James, it's not worth it. Don't do it.
Shoot me! All of you, shoot me!
It's not worth it. Don't do it, James.
I'm not going to prison for fucking marijuana.
No one's gonna go to prison.
Doesn't love me, and you don't either. Shoot me!
Stop!
Get back.
Stop! Get back now!
Stop
approaching!
James.
Stop!
James, the body.
Shut up, bitch!
Drop the knife.
No, shoot me!
Stop!
Daddy.
David 801, shots fired. Start EMS.
Get back.
Get back. Get the knife. I got gloves. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing EMS.
They're at 3622. They're on shot. They're right in the front of the building. They're right at the entrance.
You wanna? I was gonna say you wanna grab your pepper ball real quick.
Yeah. I got gloves. I'm gonna go ahead.